Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a lovely brown paper package tied up with a beautiful purple ribbon on my desk, and that can only mean one thing. It is time for some purple post, which is something I haven't done for a really long time. So I'm very much looking forward to opening this new package from Diamond Art Studio UK. I'm always so impressed with their packaging. So it starts off, this package itself came in a lovely clear baggie that allowed me to enjoy the beauty of the parcel without it getting all soggy and wet in this wintry weather. So then we have our lovely brown paper and our ribbon. I should give that a little pull. We've got our little thank you card here. Thank you for your purchase, Diamond Art Studio. And then it's got their Facebook and their webpage on there. So it's diamondartstudio.co.uk, and their Facebook is facebook.com Diamond Art Studio UK as well. So let's turn this over. I am loving the fact that packages are now certified. This is Indie approved, this parcel. I know they've got quite a few animals on site now. We'll be keeping that ribbon for later. So let's get in here. Lovely shiny box. Oh, yes, gosh, the last time that I did a Diamond Art Studio painting was for the Black and Pink event early this year? Late last year? Yeah. Gosh, it must have been January. Yeah, so it's been a good long while. This box is so spangly. How absolutely lovely. So, let's get in here. Oh, here she comes. Oh, my goodness, did you hear that thunk? Not sure that my desk appreciated that, but that was quite the oh goodness, yeah, that's mad. Okay, so this is their first temperature chart that they've released. I'm so excited. I've never done a temperature chart before. I first discovered this idea because I saw some people doing blankets where they would knit or crochet a different colour for each day of the year, or that represented the temperature of where they were, or whatever they were representing. So this one though particularly took my fancy because it is a potion shelf system. So, right. So we've got our stickers here. Big sticker. Obviously everybody's is going to look slightly different because everybody is going to be using different temperatures, but the background itself is already charted out for you. And then here it says Diamond Art Studio temperature chart instructions. Each shelf represents a month. For example, the top shelf is January, the shelf below is February, etc. Each bottle represents one day, regardless of the size of the bottle. Each bottle uses 2 to 4 colours. The symbols of the ranges are the numbers 1 through 4, 1 being the lightest colour, 4 being the darkest. Before you start the project, it is important to decide on the temperature range for each colour. We have provided drills for 4 ranges of temperatures, but you can always add additional colour ranges yourself. For example, the hottest could be 25 degrees C and above, and then down to 15 to 24, then down to 5 to 14, and the coldest as 4 degrees C and below. It is best to check your average temperatures throughout the year to find a fitting range for you. We have provided the following colours to complete 4 ranges. So we've got oranges, yellows, greens and blues. And my goodness, what a lot of lovely colours they have given us. These are beautiful. Very lovely square drills. I'm not going to get all the colours out. You can just see them and enjoy them as they are. They are square drill. They look absolutely brilliant. And obviously we've got a bit of a chart here for the other areas of the shelf that we're not going to be choosing the colours for. Obviously you could do if you wanted to, but it's really nice. And down here we've got some slightly more themed bottles, I suppose. So if we were treating this one as October, which I probably will do, it's nice that it's got a little pumpkin there. November, we've got very wintry. We've got lots of red and perhaps a candy cane there for December. Yeah, so we've got some fruits on this row, some leaves. We've got butterflies on that row. Lots of different options. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. The canvas is lovely and clear, of course, as you would expect. Really lovely. Lots and lots of options. And of course, you don't have to treat it as starting in January if you don't want to. One of the things that was suggested was that this will be a lovely project to take on for the first year of a child's life, whether that be a relative or a friend's baby or something, that you could start it from the temperature on the day they were born and then work through for the first year of their life, and then that would be representative of their first year and how the weather was then. Of course, some people have a very moderate climate and might want to track something slightly different. It will be interesting. Definitely, I feel like the seasons in the UK have changed in my lifetime, so it will be really interesting to chart these temperatures. As you would always expect with a Diamond Art Studio canvas, we've got a lovely felt backed canvas. We've got a nice, decent cover sheet. We have got poured glue. The edges of the canvas are poked and scalloped. Yeah, really, really love it. And it's going to be so fun to work on because you're only going to have to do a little patch per day, or you could work on it once a month, or you could work on it weekly, however you feel like doing it. I am going to start this in January, and I think I'm just going to do maybe monthly updates with you all so that you can see, because I don't think it's worth me checking in every day with you. I think you might get a bit bored with that. But I think I will try and do a check-in once a month, maybe once every couple of months, depending upon how things are with other videos on the channel. But yeah, so let me know if this is something that you would be interested in doing in the future. It is also available as a cross stitch pattern. You can get that from the Teeny Weeny Cross Stitch Etsy page. I will pop links for that down below as well. So if you're a cross stitcher rather than a diamond painter and you want to take on a project like this, there is an option for you there. And if you would rather diamond paint, then I believe I'm one of the first people to get hold of this because I ordered it literally the day it was released. So, and they are sending them out to people in the order in which they processed your order for them. So the first batch of them has gone out now, but I believe that they are still going to be selling them. So if you want to grab one, the option is still there. So yeah, I'm really excited. Obviously, I'm not sure how I'm going to kit this up quite just yet. There are, what have we got, like 24, 23 colours, 23 distinct colours, and then the ranges. So I'm not sure how I'm going to work with kitting it up, but I will have a look at that. And if I do kit it up, I will probably do that on the channel as well. So you'll get to see that. But those colours are just lovely. Yeah. I think I might also have a look in my stash and see which of these colours I also have specials available in, so that if I want to dot in a few special drills, I can do as well. But yeah, that is all from me. I was so excited to receive this today, particularly when the UPS guy turned up at the door and said, I have a parcel for the Crafty Witch. And my husband was like, that's not me. But yeah, all good fun. And yeah, can't wait to get started. So let's not rush through the rest of this year quite too quickly, but I'm definitely going to be looking forward to having this new project to start in January. And if any of you have also picked this up and are going to be starting in January, let me know. Maybe we can set up a chat thread on the Crafty Coven group on Facebook if you want to share your information there with me, and we can share pictures and updates. But there is also the Diamond Art Studio group on Facebook. They have set up a separate thread for people that are doing this as well. So there's lots of people on there sharing their information, sharing ideas that they've had, and giving advice about what colour varieties to use for different temperatures. Because if your temperatures don't vary very much, you might want to use a different colour range. So yeah, thank you for joining me today. I am very glad to have this in my possession. It's something I've been looking forward to for a really long time. I'm going to leave this here. Please do go check out Diamond Art Studio UK Limited. They're a great UK company, and I do like to support them whenever I can. So that's all from me for today. Until next time, stay crafty.